Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by changing Steam's language for Team Fortress 2 so the game can load the correct strings. In Steam, go to Library, right-click Team Fortress 2, choose Properties, then the Language tab. Select the language you want and allow Steam to download any missing files. This step ensures localization files are present. Once done, restart Steam and then launch TF2 to let the client apply those files and display menus in the new language. Once TF2 is running, you check in-game options to confirm labels and localized content loaded correctly. Go to Options, then Advanced Settings and Keyboard/Mouse to see if translations match your selection. Meanwhile, make sure Steam finished downloading language packs by checking Library then Downloads. Incomplete files produce mixed languages. If you see only partial translation, remove the language in Properties and reapply it to force Steam to re-download the localization, which often fixes mismatched or corrupted text entries. Finish by confirming with the console and fixing any residual issues. Enable the developer console, open it, and type language to see what TF2 reports. This tells you the active locale. If strings still display incorrectly, close Steam and check the game folder for corrupted localization files in steamapps/common/teamfortress2/tf/, removing suspect files before restarting. If that fails, clear Steam's download cache. Then verify integrity of game files or reinstall the language pack to restore proper localization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.